Hey guys, this is going to show you how to make pea milk. What I have in this bowl here are some yellow split peas that I have soaked in water overnight, drained and rinsed. I'm going to put them in my blender with some water and make a slurry. Okay, there they are down there, and here comes the water. And after I blend them for a couple of minutes, I'm going to have to put them through my nut milk bag and squeeze the fluid out into my saucepan, and I will need 2 hands to do that, so I'll be right back. Okay, here's the milk, the raw milk, in my pan. I'm going to cook this on medium. I'm going to bring it to a boil over medium heat, and then I'm going to reduce the heat, cover the pot, and cook it for half an hour. And you want it at the lowest heat once it comes to a boil, because this stuff scorches really easily. So I will be back as soon as it's cooked. Okay, the pea milk is cooked, and I am going to pour a little bit into my glass. And give it a taste. Well, it has a taste that's hard to describe. I've only tried pea milk once, and I don't think it tastes like, store-bought pea milk. I think they do something to make the store-bought pea milk more neutral. I have to say something about the pea milk recipes that are out there, because when it first came out I wanted to try it and nobody was selling it near me, so I thought, well, maybe I can figure out how to make it online. And there weren't very many, and every single recipe said to cook the split peas before you turn them into milk. So I did that, and it turned into baby food. And when you strain them, the split pea baby food through your nut milk bag, you get pea water. It's like, this can't be how it's done. So I looked again before I did this, see if there were any updates. Same deal. Cook the split peas and puree them before you squeeze out the milk. These people are they must be scamming. They just must be content farms that don't actually make the recipes they recommend, because it doesn't work like that. You have to do it the way I said. That's how you make all of the legume milks. You have to soak the dry legume, and then you puree it before you strain the milk out, and then you have to cook the milk. So I'm going to be right back with peanut milk. So here are my fresh, raw green peanuts. I keep them in the freezer so they don't go bad. You put them in my blender with the water, and I'll be right back. Okay, here they are in the bottom of my blender, and here comes the water. Again, just like the pea milk, I'm going to blend this up into a slurry, strain it through my nut milk bag into my pot, and I'll be right back. Okay, here it is in my pot. Same cooking instructions. Bring it to a boil, or just a light simmer, over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for half an hour while the pot is covered. I will be right back with my cooked peanut milk. So here is the freshly cooked peanut milk, and here I go again, trying to pour this into my glass without spilling. Just about the time I get good at this, I'll end up getting my tripod out with my camera, and I won't have to be good at it anymore. Okay, let me try this. I don't know what makes this so good. The first time I ever had it, it was being manufactured and sold in San Francisco, and it came in vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, and they were all delicious. It's hard to describe how nice and fresh and clean this peanut milk is. It's not going to taste like peanut butter at all. It's just light and fresh and mildly sweet. I think it's my favorite of the legume milks, really. Usually when I make it, I put just a little pinch of cardamom. I don't put any sweetener, but a little pinch of cardamom makes it really nice. So anyway, I'm about to be cut off by my camera. So the recipes will be on my blog, and they will be linked in the description. See you later, guys.